Did you know that the ocean floor has some scary secrets? There's so much to discover down there, like these giant mysterious structures. These are called methane seeps. They form when huge amounts of methane gas escape from cracks in the seafloor. The methane then reacts with bacteria and other organic matter in the water to form these cool, ice-like structures. They can be as tall as a house and as wide as a football field, and even though they look fragile, they're actually around for years. But it's not just methane seeps that are hiding in the ocean floor. There are also underwater volcanoes. These are called lowy seamounts. They form when magma from the Earth's core bubbles up through the seafloor. If the magma reaches the surface, it can create a new island. In fact, this is how the Hawaiian Islands were formed. But most of the time, the magma cools and solidifies before it reaches the surface. So instead of creating an island, it just forms a mountain on the ocean floor. And if you thought that was cool, wait till you hear about these glowing clouds. These strange formations are actually made of phytoplankton. That's the name for the microscopic plants that live in the ocean. When these plants die, their bodies sink to the ocean floor and get covered by sediment. Over time, the sediment turns into rock, and the phytoplankton become part of the seafloor itself. But every once in a while, the seafloor starts to move again. When that happens, the phytoplankton are brought back to the surface, and they form these cool, glowing clouds. But these glowing clouds aren't the only things that are hiding in the ocean floor. There are also entire ecosystems down there. For example, in the Arctic Ocean, there are ecosystems that are powered by methane seeps. The methane seeps provide food and energy for all sorts of creatures, from bacteria to fish. In fact, scientists have found fish in the Arctic Ocean that couldn't live anywhere else because they need the methane seeps to survive. So next time you're at the beach, remember that there's a whole other world just beneath the surface. An amazing world full of mysterious structures, underwater volcanoes, glowing clouds, and entire ecosystems. Who knows what other secrets the ocean floor is hiding? Hey there, I'm one of the co-founders of a science channel. Our mission is to make science more interesting and accessible to everyone. We do that by creating free science videos that are fun and engaging. If you like what we're doing, please consider supporting us.